Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all well. So guys, I've been wanting to show you this palette for the longest time. I bought it a few months ago and I have been absolutely enjoying it. It's called the ucanbe Luxury Gathering. It looks like that. Pretty, simple packaging but quite effective. Pretty looking palette. And guys, you know what I like about this palette? It's perfect for all the neutral nude lovers out there. Just look at the colors, absolutely beautiful, wide range of neutral shades. You've got warm, you've got cool tones, and I think if you are a makeup artist or a makeup enthusiast, you will absolutely adore this palette. Now guys, it's got quite a few shades in there, as you can see, ranging from the warms, as I said, to the cooler tones. You've got the blacks, the browns, the golds, the bronze, the silvers. Beautiful palette, you guys. And as I said, if you're a makeup artist or if you do like a lot of wedding makeup, this palette would be perfect for your collection. So let me go ahead and give you some more details on this palette, guys. I am going to swatch some of the shades. I won't swatch all of them because it's quite a bit, but I want to swatch some of them for you guys so you can see how beautiful this palette is. Take a look at that. It has 60 shades, so you've got lots of shimmer shades and you've got a few mattes as well. I tend to go for palettes like these, and I can tell you guys, I've been really enjoying this and I wanted to share with you because why not? So I got this on Amazon. Of course, I'm going to leave all the details in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out. But guys, let me just go ahead and show you how some of these shades look. Okay, so I'm going to do that first. So that's a pinky tone, then this is a lighter pink, okay, and then these are more like the rosy pinky tones up top here. That's what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and just swatch that on my arm. Those are four that I just swatched, you guys, and the pigmentation is absolutely there. There are no fallouts, you guys. Once you put your base on, you'll be absolutely fine. So those are like the pinky tones at the top of the palette. Just a few, nice shades there. Okay, so let's go over to this one. This is like a matte brown. And then I'm going to go ahead and do this one right here and this one right here. So that's what they look like, you guys. Okay. So those are some of them from the top. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few from the second row right here. So we have like this, it's sort of like a blue, sort of like a blackish blue. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one right here and this golden one. I love these colors so much. And then you've got some more pinks here as well. It's got lots of pinks, guys. So let's go ahead and show you. So that's that. So that's those three I just swatched. So beautiful, guys. Honestly, for the price of the palette, yeah, the pigmentation is up there. Yeah. Okay, so we're at the third row here. So this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mattes. The first row has 1, 2, 3 mattes. The second row has 1, 2, 3 mattes. So it's quite a few mattes, but you don't really need too many matte shades because once you've got a brown, like a tan color like that, or a black, you are good to go. So you've got enough mattes to go with these shimmer shades. So now we're here, guys. So I'm going to swatch this one right here. Love that bronzy one. And sorry for the background noise, guys. So I've got this really yellow golden shade right here and another sort of bronzy shade, and let's do this brown right here as well. So guys, as you can see, the colors, the pigmentation is there. Look at that golden yellow, guys, and then you've got the matte brown on the right. Yeah, so pretty. 7 mattes in that row, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch that one, for example. So I've just swatched this one. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that one, and that one. So those are some of the shades in that row. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, very, very pretty. Love it. You've got the last row here. It's got grays and silvers, and then it's got a matte black there. So it's got 1, 2, 3 matte shades in that row. And as I said, the amount of mattes you have in this palette is it's good. You've got lots of choices. So let's go ahead and do that one. That gray, not my favorite shade. And then you've got the black. Of course, black is always good in a palette. And let me swatch, for example, the silver and this one right here. Okay, so that's the back of the palette. You can be luxury gathering. As I said, it's on Amazon. I will leave all the details of it in the description box. If you love neutral colors, neutral shades, then this palette would be perfect for you. Love it. So yeah, let me know if you want to see any looks using this palette. I'll be happy to do that. And of course, let me know if you'd pick this palette up. Let me know if you like it, and also go ahead and thumbs up the video if you enjoyed this little showing off of this lovely palette. Also go ahead and turn the notifications on so you don't miss another video from Shaunz World. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.